Hi, it's Chad Wilson with 2N, and I wanted to talk with you about our open enrollment workshops. You know, we have the privilege to work with the world's largest technology companies, and while larger companies regularly budget for team development, opportunities for training and coaching are sometimes out of reach for individuals and small companies, until now. Whether you're an enablement leader that needs to get a few new hires up to speed, or an individual contributor looking to use a continuing education allowance to grow your career, or maybe you're a leader of a smaller team that needs to implement solid fundamentals, a 2N open enrollment workshop is a great way to get this done quickly. 2N open enrollment public workshops are available in virtual and in-person formats. The open workshops provide the opportunity to learn in an environment that includes a broad set of professionals from multiple organizations, resulting in exposure to ideas, thought processes, and skills beyond the four walls of your company. The on-site version of the workshop takes place over 2 full-day intensive training sessions with multiple opportunities to practice the techniques and receive feedback from 2N coaches. The virtual workshops play out over a week. Students attend daily virtual masterclass coaching sessions and complete self-paced homework made up of video lessons and skill exercises to prepare for their coaching sessions. The coaching sessions last up to 2 hours, and daily homework should take between 60 to 90 minutes. Virtual workshops offer a unique opportunity for global teams to learn together without the cost of travel. We offer flexible time zone options that allow persons from all over the globe to train together. Whether attending an open workshop virtually or on-site, students will learn from the best with the best. While all are welcome to attend 2N open enrollment workshops, they provide the unique opportunity for new hires, startups, smaller organizations, and individuals to access the same training most large tech companies have made a standard part of their enablement. Check the enrollment calendar on our website to see current offerings. Find an option that works for you and enroll today. If you need further information or you don't see a program or time option that works for you, just reach out to one of our team members using the chat feature. Additional course details, learning objectives, and FAQs can all be found under the training section of our website. We're looking forward to seeing you and your team in an upcoming open enrollment workshop.